Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Kristi. Take two. I have moved my camera slightly higher. It doesn't seem even, but hopefully you can see well enough. Yeah, I started to record and I had a Kraft-tex. So while I was on vacation, my daughter slept in my room with the dog, but apparently the cat got in here. Well, when she gets in here, she causes landslides. Excuse me, craft slides. Well, I hadn't noticed. I noticed a couple things I've already corrected, but today, when I went to adjust my camera, everything off the shelf up here fell down in front of me. So now I have it behind me, and yeah, I'm finding all kinds of stuff. Like these are buttons that went to a project that I think is long gone. Oh, goodness. Anyway, we're going to work on the As You Wish journal today. That's what I'm going to call it, As You Wish. I have taken apart this book, and I'll be honest with you, I don't know where I put the pages because I was going to use those. So I don't know if it's in one piece or what. Anyway, I'll find them. Because I did this right before we left on vacation, and I just kind of cleaned everything up so when my daughter came in here there wasn't a big mess, and you know how that goes, clean it up, lose it. So anyway, I have distressed this a little bit. I love the inside of this, but I don't know, I don't want to save it. So this is the other book. This is the actual book of the Princess Bride. This was a journal, and that's why I said a guided journal. I'm going to put something across that, the guided journal part, because I took that all out and I cut apart all the little quotes and stuff, and yeah, I have that with the book pages. So it's coming back to me anyway. But I decided this has 450 pages. I think I want to do an altered book. I have only made 2 altered books, and it was years ago when I first started, because they're quite heavy. This book alone is quite heavy right here. By the time I add everything to it, it's going to be even heavier. But I'm going to take out a lot of the pages and add to it. I have printed the kit on 24-pound paper, so it's not super heavy. But yeah, we're just going to start there. And so I think I will, the best way to do the altered book I have found is to take this and pull it over, and you can see this page comes with it. This is a tip-in. Okay, so this is where it starts. I want to keep the title page, and then I think I will start tearing there. So I'm going to tear out 10. So I will fast forward. When I come to a plate, I'm going to, oh, I have that image. That's a Photoshop stock image. When I come to a plate, I'm going to leave that. So. And then I will paper clip these 2 together, and these will form my first page, probably a top pocket. So let's see what I do with my paper clips. Sorry, wasn't quite ready. All right. And I really like this straw paper colored front, so that'll come in handy. Alright, so now we will keep this one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I kind of want to keep that, so let's just take out these 6 pages. We want to keep the map. Well, these paper clips are really snug. All right, then we want to keep this and take out 10 more. So then that one will be attached to this one. Now, if I want to, and I want to have that page available, so that will not be together, but I may use that, you know, I'm just tearing papers right now, so I may revisit this and make it a, you know, pocket on both sides or something like that, which is probably what I'll do because I want that page on the inside to show. So we will do this page. Oh, there's a page. I might go ahead and take that out because I can put it back. So this will be 10. Is that right? Yeah. I think it's really, really thick. And I may do a double pocket here, so I'll do 3. Well, maybe not, because I probably want to put some room between those. So let's do the next one. We'll just keep going the way we are. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this, and I will finish. I did grungy up these pages, but I will go ahead and fast forward this part as well. Okay, let's back up a minute here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this one goes with this one. I messed it up, guys. And then this one goes with this one. And then this one is going to have a double because I goofed up on that one, although I could just pull that extra page out because it's not going to show and I can use it somewhere else. Okay. Yeah, I goofed myself up by putting the paper clip on the other page. So where's, okay, this is right. And you know, it doesn't really have to be perfect. Just do the best you can. The whole idea is that we're just taking some pages out. I want to take that so that it's not as heavy when we're finished, and there's room to add pages or paper or embellishments, etc. So 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so those are the pages we want to take out. Alright, so these two go together. Alright, so I'm going to continue on doing just what I'm doing right now, and then I will be back when it's thinned out. Okay guys, so I have taken all of these pages out, and so that's quite a bit, a couple hundred pages, and that left me with a narrow profile so that I can add things to it. I still have the paper clips in there. You can see right here, I haven't worried too much about how close it is. Most of this is going to be hidden between, in fact all of it will be hidden between two pages, so you know that will only be seen here. So I did some 2s, some 3s, 1 4, and so let's see how many we ended up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's perfect. And then this will give us plenty of room because it's got a very, I mean, it's only sticking out up there because of the paper clips, but you can see it almost touches at the bottom. Yeah, so the next thing I want to do is get me some coffee dyed paper, or paper tea dyed, I should say, and tea dye the kit. Now the kit I'm using, there are 3. One of them is, it'll be in the description box, but I know one of them is from Graphics Fairy, one of them is Medieval Fragments from Medieval Mirage, and then there's another one that I can't remember their name because it's numbers, but I will have their link, and I got that one. It's just the words and the quotes from the Princess Bride. So, and then a lot of these, you know, I have to choose from plates and titles, and you know, lots of Buttercups and Wesley and things like that are in here. Westley with a T. And so anyway, yeah, that was just gutting the book, preparing that, and we'll be back. Thanks for watching. This is part 1. Bye now.